Hello, beautiful people. See here. This place already done little bit of dumping and occupied. See here. From yesterday, this is what I'm working on. Bring it to your notice. See here. If it is private land, subjected to correction. If it is not, if it is on the bed of Swarnamukhi branch, see here. That is the Podar school. This is what they are filling, trying to make almost 20 feet road until that palm tree, so that they will have their own access. I don't think this is private land. If private land, nobody is gonna live like this. See here. These guys also done enough filling. Before year they started from 2023. See this wall. They have not made a bricks wall. They have made concrete wall, so that even the heavy water comes, it should not happen anything. See here how big it is. So in future, my friends, from that side they are gonna occupy 20 feet. From here already they are occupying 20 feet, and then they are gonna restrict this one for 10 feet. I'm adding one more video at the end of this one, how the real estate, they have made this much big canal into 2.5 feet water flow. Thank you so much. Please share, subscribe, comment. This is the road 150 feet, Tuda master plan road, connecting to National Highway to Padmavati Nagar, the Tuda layout. See here, my friends.